Welcome to a GameEye2D tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about camera shake. So, an important thing to note about camera shake is you have to be careful with it. If you have too many things in a scene, the scene becomes chaotic. But, of course, it can be a very useful tool to add an oomph to your game. So down here you'll see I already have the shake behavior attached to the camera. You can add it through component, GameEye2D, behaviors, and find shake. There is a minimum force required for the camera to start shaking. Essentially what happens is you call the shake camera function, you give it a force, either vector 2 or a magnitude, and if it is over this threshold, the camera will start shaking. This is how much force is converted into the camera moving around. Down here we have the shake time, which is how long the camera starts shaking. So you notice if I increase this by 10 times, when it shakes, that's a really powerful hit. So, going forward, how do you get the camera shake? Well, there is no automated way for this, so we have to do this through code. So, in this component here, I have using GameEye2D behavior because the shake component is actually in a namespace called GameEye2D.behavior. I have collected the component into a variable. You can also do this by making this public and adding it through the inspector, but I just got this through the main camera for the example. And down here, whenever the sphere collides, I am calling the shake camera function, and I'm giving the relative velocity of the collision. So, that concludes this tutorial. For the next tutorial, we're going to be talking about miscellaneous things available in GameEye2D, such as tools.